In this video, I'm going to explain whether a VPN can protect you from the government and how much privacy you actually get online. Before we start, if you want a trustworthy VPN that keeps your data private, I recommend NordVPN. It uses strong encryption, has a strict no-logs policy, and is one of the safest options out there. You can check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and follow along. Before we start, keep in mind that a VPN is a privacy tool, not a tool for illegal activity. This video is for education only. Always follow your local laws and regulations when using any security software. First, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. A VPN does protect your internet traffic by encrypting it. That means your ISP, public Wi-Fi networks, hackers, and most third parties can't see what websites you visit or what you're doing online. Instead of showing your real IP address, the VPN replaces it with the IP address of the server you connect to, making it harder for anyone to track your location or identity. But now the important question: does a VPN protect you from the government? The simple answer is yes and no. A VPN hides your browsing activity, but it doesn't make you invisible. Government agencies can't see your online activity directly when the VPN is active because everything is encrypted. However, they can still identify that you're using a VPN, and they can request information from VPN companies if they operate within certain jurisdictions. This is why using a VPN with a strict no-logs policy is essential. NordVPN is based in Panama, outside the 14 Eyes Surveillance Alliance, and it has been independently audited multiple times to confirm that it does not store logs of your activity, meaning even if someone requests user data, there is nothing to hand over. When you connect to NordVPN, your browsing history, DNS requests, and IP logs are not stored. A VPN also protects you from things like ISP tracking, targeted ads, public Wi-Fi spying, and DDoS attacks. If you want an extra layer of privacy, you can enable features like threat protection, double VPN, or onion over VPN inside the app. These tools add more encryption and block harmful websites, ads, and trackers. However, it's important to understand the limits. A VPN does not protect you if you log into your personal accounts, willingly share information, break laws, or use services that reveal your identity.
So, realistically, a VPN gives you strong online privacy, hides your browsing, protects your IP, and keeps your data encrypted, but it is not a tool for avoiding law enforcement or engaging in illegal activities. It's designed for online safety, not anonymity from the government. If you want a VPN that offers the strongest privacy protection and proven no-log security, NordVPN is the best option to go with. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your online activity private and secure.